Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Eka Susanti with NPM 2241110 for Management Class 22B. Here I will explain about understand the function of human resources as a strategic partner organization, selection and placement. Selection and placement is a series of activities that carried out to decide whether an application was accepted, rejected, whether or not worker is right, placed in certain position within the organization. Selection is an effort done to select and get a workforce that does abilities according to the text, what he will do in his position aptly to be filled and occupied. Placement is assignment or reassignment an employee to a job now. More placement decisions many are made by line manager. Usually supervisor of an employee within consolation determines placement future employee. Several selection technique form is often used application, biographical data, reference and recommendation, interview, test, abilities and personality. Physical test and physiologist, job simulation test and assessment center. The selection process is a process decision making for candidate applicant to be accepted or rejected. Many considerations are required for choose the right person. Guidelines the main thing in making a selection is position specification because from there the quality of human resource needed in crowd after the selection process is complete then the next thing is placement. There are three types of placement, namely when promotion. Promotion occurs when someone employees transferred from when the two job higher in payments, responsibility, and or level. Two transfer. Transfer occurs when a person employees transferred from when tax file to another tax file which is almost the same level as good salary, level responsibilities, structural level. 3. Demotion. Demotion occurs when a person employees from one position to another. Others are lower. The level is good salary level, responsibility, and level is structural. Selection methods are divided into two. One statistical method data from perspective forecast in collected based on established producer usually uses statistical cancellation. 2. Clinical method identifying job candidate qualitatively through interview and behavioral observation. Types of interview in general based on how it is carried out interview and divided into three types, namely one structured interview. The first type of interview is a structured or guided interview where all the questions to be asked have been prepared in detail and complementary. To unstructured interview, as the name suggests, unstructured interview are the position of structured interview where the questions asked are open-ended. This is therefore also usually called a free interview because the interviewer can ask the source anything. However, what needs to be noted is that case question remain relevant to the data requirements so that the interview can still be controlled. 3. Free guided interview. The final type of interview is a free guided interview which is a combination of the two previous type of interview where the interviewer still prepare the question to be asked but only in outline. There are three stages that must be carried out during an interview, namely the preparation stage, the implementation stage, and the stage of counting the interview result. During the preparation stage, the interviewer must be determine the interview topic, determine data information, determine and context source, and compose several questions. Then the implementation stage is a stage during the interview which is carried out by the interviewer to express the aims and objectives of the interview and introduce himself of the source. During this implementation stage, the interviewer must ask several questions that have been prepared and must record or write down the interview answer. The final stage in the interview is creating an interview report. After obtaining information obtained from the source, The interviewer must prepare a report containing the theme, objective, identity of source, and consolation from the results of the interview candidate. Okay, that's all the explanation for me. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.